Yeah. Oh, maybe not too bad. I lie. Sand. Takes me back to Camp Pendleton when we were down there working out and doing training. This was called a moderate trail in the Arches National Forest. It's not an easy trail, but it's not a super difficult. Just being mindful, it's easy to trip and follow the land markers. Oh, went the wrong way. Just when you thought you were done. Oh my God. This one right here, this is towards the end as you start heading back. Once you reach the arch, you'll head back to follow the trail back to where you started.
Like the hills have eyes or something. These rocks are very important because it'd be too easy to get off the path here. Down here is not too bad. Other places though, when you're up on the plateau, you could easily walk right off a cliff. Just the reverse of the way we came in. You go back the other way. I would go back the same way. Start going back down towards the vehicle. Right here, up and down, that's the trail. Not too bad though, hopefully anyway. Take your time going through the last piece, coming back from the trailhead. A little treacherous. You got any health issues or anything? The first part can be a little bit of a doozy, depending on what type of health you're in. Just take your time.